going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and first let me start off by saying that I do apologize for the way that I sound. I've been under the weather, but I think it's kind of going around. So if you're not taking vitamin C or drinking the emergency powdered drink that you mix with water, you know, put those defenses up with your body, man, and make sure you're healthy. With that said, today what we're going to do is we're going to use a new product to me, which is by the company Qmadix. That's Qmadix. I saw them at the CES conference this year in Vegas, and they have an invisible First-Defense NanoGlass screen protector. So it's NanoGlass technology. Nano is here. It's been here for a hot minute. And the cool thing with this is that not only does it protect the screen with NanoGlass technology, but they offer a replacement guarantee. So if you use this application and then your screen cracks or breaks, you basically take it to your repair shop, have it fixed, and then submit something to Qmadix, and they will send you a check in the mail to cover the cost of the repair. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and put that application on the ZTE Z-Max Pro. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe the screen clean with this, the little clean cloth that they have here. Once we do that, then we're going to apply the nanotechnology, and in between those, we're going to use our microfiber cleaning cloth. I'm using the one that came with my LG G6, but we're going to use that to clean after we do this, and then clean again once we apply this and wait 5 minutes. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is just do a little bit of a pre-wipe with the microfiber cloth. And then we're just going to open this bad boy up. Oh, hold on. And we're going to go ahead and wipe it down. And try to make sure, try to get as much of the screen as you can. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and wipe on the nanotechnology screen protector. So you pull it out, it's all on here. So I don't know how they did it, but wow, it actually feels different than that other cloth. Naturally so. And we'll just do this here, a little circular motion. Now it looks like, you really can't see it on the camera, but it looks like it's trying to dry as soon as you wipe it down. I'm only guessing that's a part of the nanotechnology that's going on the screen itself. You just want to do this in a circular motion, so you get every inch of the screen. And once that's done, wait 5 minutes, and then we're going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth.
5 minutes later.
And now that 5 minutes have passed, you just kind of have to buff it out a little bit, kind of like you're waxing your car. Just make sure you're doing it in small circular motions. Make sure you get all over the screen. And again, the camera's not really showing you anything here, but you can actually see, like I can see a difference in the screen and how it looks after applying this. As always, I really do appreciate you stopping by to watch this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload my next video. And don't think this is going to be the last that you see of the ZTE Z-Max Pro in 2018. Yeah, 2018, and I'm still rocking this bad boy. There's a lot more stuff that we got to do to this phone to maximize it to the fullest. As always, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later.